Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, March 8, 2017. The big news this morning was about the private job in the States. They have created 298,000 jobs, so let's say 300,000 jobs. And we were expecting the market to be much stronger with it, and it's not really the case. So what happened this morning, at first, the market rose and for a few minutes, and then it picked up again. But the Nasdaq went to yesterday's high and then went down almost to zero. It's climbing back up right now, but very little. On the Dow, it went up but never continued the movement, and now, even though it's coming back a little bit, it's still following a downtrend intraday-wise. And the TS6 has gone up too at one point and is back down. And the resources has some problem this morning, and the crude oil. And the crude oil has broken its very important support. So you see this movement right here. So USO has finally got down from its long sideways movement, entering into the bearish cycle. So so far it's a sideways trend that is broken. So there are a lot of sell signals on the energy sector today, and and the gas is going up. But despite that, look, the stocks are really going down today, still maintaining some sort of downward direction, and the gold keeps going down too, because since they came out with the job report, the gold kept going down. The stock's still trying to resist, because look, the gold is definitely going down very clearly since 3 days, but the stock only got down one day, and since 2 days it's holding there. So if the gold keeps going down, so far the gold stocks are going to catch up on the downside. So And look at the mining. The mining keeps going down too. So all resources are looking really bad right now. You know, the crude oil, the gold, and the mining, which are going down, testing a very important support. Look at Teck Resources and First Quantum and Hudbay that broke down yesterday. You know, so it's the situation on the on most of the mining stocks right now. For all of the other sector, the situation is very, very calm, sideways, totally sideways for consumer discretionary, telecom. Financials are stabilizing on their top. The industrial goes sideways with very little volatility. Real estates are breaking down. The utilities are neutral. Healthcare still goes down. Consumer staples is neutral because the stock are not breaking out. So, you know, there's nothing interesting in most of the sector, and the resources sector are not looking very nice at the moment. Look at the energy stock still going down. Let me show you that. So look, USO has been going down this morning. There was a little jump at the when the inventory came out, and finally came back down, and it is sell signal after sell signal, and it seems like we're going to get another one very, very soon right here. And look at the stocks that kept going down since 11:30. I mean, this is some bearish cycle so far. So there's a little bit of wind of panic there. A lot of people are closing positions. That's what it looks like. And look at the silver is at the bottom of the day. The gold is at the bottom of the day. But for no apparent reason, the stock pulled back. I don't know if it's a buyback from short sales or what, but the gold did not come back, the silver neither, but the stocks are higher. So if we are going to break this support this afternoon or tomorrow, the stock will follow this movement. So look at the mining going down. The financial seems they're going to come back, and the industrial wants to pass on the negative side right now. So I mean, it's not the best market that we have today. You really have to think at what you're going to do with your oil stock and mining stocks and gold stocks if it breaks down once more. So we had a very few financial earnings this morning. Look, Urban Outfitters is going down on expected earnings. They were expecting 55, they got 55. Express is the same thing, 29, and the stock is still breaking down. And Bob Evans is doing nothing on a result very close to the expectation at 75, expecting 76. And Clear Energy Fuel was had 9 cents, and then they came out with 2 cents. The stock surged up this morning and came right back to the zero line. Caterpillar is threatened by the government that accused them to have manipulated their accounting number to make their share worth more. And the BP is going down, even though they have a good. The news says they never had at the same time that many projects close to be realized, and that's all. And Amaya, yesterday, the president, the ex-president of Amaya, David Bazob, sold for how much? 7 million shares at $19, which is 30% of his ownership of the company. And this is it for the news today. We're going to the break in a few seconds, and after that I'll start answering the few questions that came in on the tablet. If you have some, do it right now if you want to be answered today. We go to the break.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. First question here from Yuppie. Hi, Michel. I have made a buy of NMM, so that's right here, NMM. Wait a second. Okay, NMM. No, what's? I think you made a mistake. NMM, what was it? NDM? Yeah. No, that's not the one. So, oh, that's New York. Sorry, NMM. Okay. Oh, good. Navios Maritime. I made the buy at 222 and now 220, just after the last high at 219. Do you think it is a nice choice? I would also like to, okay, first this one. You know, okay, it's breaking out today. You have entered into the beginning of a new bullish cycle. It's a very recent uptrend too. I mean, it sounds to be nice. Hold on to it. You know, take some time. It's a swing trading that you've made, so you gotta wait for a few days. In the meantime, there's no sell signal unless the stock touches $1.75. And what's the next here? Is that the one? MX, A space LABU, LABU? No, that's on New York, LABU direction. I think that's what it is, 53. Yeah, that's 53.25, okay. Okay, so you have a support here. I don't like that one very much because, you know, this is a very important resistant level. So far on that stock, if you look at this way, 48 would be a sell signal. On the very, very short term, I'd say at 51, you know. So I think if you reach 51, you should get out. But so far, so good. It seems to be gone this way, but you know, since this resistance is very important, not because only that one, it's also important because of that one there, which is this historical trend. And when you look at it this way, you know, so you bought it just under a very important resistance. So I hope for you it's going to pick up this way, but you know, after going down, like just in case here, if it would fail and come back this way, you know, like at 51, I think you should withdraw this position. Bought IVN at 436. Oh yeah, and so oops, I showed you on the mining not long ago that the situation is critical. So far the stock did stop to go down at 370. It came back to the last resistance, another upward move here, and we would be reversing that bearish cycle, this one, you know, and that downtrend here. So hold on for a while, and if there is any problem here, I think, you know, you paid how much? You paid you paid 436. So that's way up here. So I hope your stock is going to go this way. But there is a sell signal at 385, and there's another more important at 370 if it ever reached that. That's what I do. That's what I think we should do. Marijuana stock are going down today. Yes, about CCM, we know that. CCM. CMM, sorry. And you know why? It's because Justin Trudeau said they are not going to rush to pass a law on the cannabis. So that's what is sending a cold shower on the stocks. So right now everyone is heading towards is support, and that is the most critical level. Okay, so past this this place, it's a sell signal. So there are so many of them that are coming down because now the market is worried. They were all going up because that they were supposed to legalize the cannabis. So it's this is Justin Trudeau's fault. It's not anyone else's fault. So, but right now most of the stock are reaching an important support. So it could stay there, and because we have reached this bottom, so we'll see over the next few days. But so far, I think it's going to calm down for a little while until some other information comes out. And after a little pause there, if it start another bearish signal, I think we better go out of this, go out of that for a while until the market settles to a price that will be okay for everyone. Because you know, all of those stocks were going up because we were supposed to legalize the cannabis in Canada, and now Justin Trudeau has changed the game today. HOD by 996. HOD, you bought 996, and now it's 1030. It's 1030. You have you're making 34 cents. So far, so good. It seems to be a movement that could continue. The volume is not that great, but do not hesitate to take some profit. And see, with the intraday chart, it's quite easy to see right now. You paid 996. 1020 is a very, very short-term sell signal. But you cannot go to the next support. Well, yes, that's where you bought. So that's your paid price here. So that's the reason why. Now I think you should put a stop at 1020, okay, on a very, very short term. So if it doesn't come back there, you're gonna still have your position, and you're gonna climb up as the crude oil goes down and the stock goes down, and they are still going down at the moment. So look, USO is still very fragile. Look at this. So if and this is directly proportional to the HOD. The more the crude oil goes down, the more HOD goes up. So right now, if it goes this way, you better go out of your HOD. But if it goes this way, you're gonna make more money. So far, what I said about HOD is that I think it should go the other way, but just in case, put yourself a stop loss at 10.15, 10.20. This is it for today, folks. Thank you very much for attending. We'll catch you next time.